Tesla changed the world. It made electric cars cool, fast, and smart. But while everyone was focused on Elon Musk, something bigger was quietly happening in China. Companies like BYD and Xiaomi, supported by smart government planning, are now challenging Tesla, not just in China, but across the world. This is the real story of how China's EV strategy is beating Tesla.
Let's zoom in on one of China's most interesting business stories, BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams. It all started in the 1990s when Wang Chuanfu founded the company in Shenzhen, initially making rechargeable batteries for phones and electronics. But the path wasn't smooth. BYD faced early failures and challenges. When the Chinese auto market opened up, BYD tried to enter the car business and was up against huge competitors with stronger brands and deeper pockets. Some of its early vehicle models didn't sell well, and the cost of transitioning from batteries to full-scale cars seemed enormous. At one point, BYD's finances were under pressure. The market doubted whether a battery company could succeed in the tough automobile business. Many predicted BYD would fail, but what happened next? Yet Wang Chuanfu didn't give up. He kept pushing BYD to invest in electric vehicle technology and in-house battery production. BYD built its own supply chain from battery cells to motors to design. This vertical control helped reduce costs and increase the speed of innovation. A major turning point came when BYD launched its Dynasty series of cars and aggressively pushed new energy vehicles in China, supported by government subsidies. Suddenly, BYD was no longer just surviving, it was thriving. BYD's success didn't just come from luck. It came from resilience, smart timing, and building strength where others were weak. BYD's rise is onto just one company's success story. It's a reflection of China's national strategy. While Tesla was focusing on building premium electric cars for developed markets, China focused on building an entire EV ecosystem from mining raw materials to battery production to mass-market affordable models. The Chinese government provided strong support, subsidies for electric vehicles, tax breaks, and investments in charging infrastructure. This created the perfect environment for dozens of EV companies to grow, like BYD, NIO, XPeng, and now even Xiaomi. It's a fascinating look at how a long-term vision can reshape an entire industry. What do you think about this strategy? Let me know in the comments below. What's even more impressive is how fast these companies innovate. BYD makes its own batteries, chips, and even semiconductors things. Tesla still depends on suppliers. Xiaomi entered the EV market by combining its software ecosystem and smart devices into cars, turning vehicles into rolling smart gadgets. These companies are winning, not just with cars, but with data, connectivity, and price. BYD's cars are cheaper, but packed with technology. Xiaomi's cars are connected with the same apps and devices millions of users already use every day. This integrated approach is a game changer, creating an experience that goes way beyond just driving. It's about a seamless, connected lifestyle on wheels. The speed and scale of this innovation are truly mind-boggling. And it's completely reshaping the future of transportation right before our eyes. What do you think about this strategy? Let me know below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.